What's going on, guys? Just got the mail today. Ordered a couple of those red Scotch-Brite pads from Pryme MX. That's Cameron Niemola on YouTube. He does all the really good dirt bike builds. So I wanted to test out his pads that he uses, which, sorry, starting over. I also just got a bench grinder as well. So we got a sticker, add it to the toolbox. Wow. Handwritten. It says, thanks Nolan, your purchase from Pryme is greatly appreciated. Please let me know how you like your order by leaving a review on prymemx.com. And some instructions for the buffer, and here's everything I ordered. So I got a spacer, brake bleeder syringe, some screwdrivers, some Japanese industry standard, I believe that stands for, and then I got the cleaning wheels. So I got a rough and a fine. Pretty sweet. They're stiffer than I imagined. Maybe that's the rough one. Let's see. It says your purchase from Pryme is greatly appreciated. As a thank you, here's some extra product. What a guy. Thanks, Cam. All right, let's go put them on. Don't mind the bike, but went to Home Depot. Actually, I think it's from Lowe's. So I went to Lowe's. Home Depot was all out of these, but here's the bench grinder I got. Comes with 2 stones on here. I don't plan on really using either, but I mean, I'll hold on to them. What I really wanted was a wire wheel, so I bought one of these, and also one of the Scotch-Brite pads on the other side. So let's get this set up. Alright, just got this unpackaged, plugged it in, seems to work fine. It's got 2 mounting points on the bottom there, but it's pretty heavy. Doesn't really want to go anywhere, but I do want it to hang off, I guess on this side of the bench, probably like that, just so I can, you know, maneuver bigger objects, I guess off that side. This side has a vise, or else I'd put it over there, but yeah, let's see about securing it down. Okay, so I was trying to put on the wire wheel, which I bought like right next to this at Lowe's, and it was too shallow, so it was actually hitting the inner side here. But on Pryme MX, you can buy these little 1/2-inch spacers with a locking key. Luckily I bought 2, so I put one in there, and it perfectly fits the wire wheel on this side. So on this side, I think I'm going to put the fine cleaning wheel. I got 2 of them here, so I think these are probably both the V2s on his website. They look the same. And I have the rough one here. I plan on just using this one as like backup when something's not coming off with the fine. So let's get that one on. just got it installed. I decided to take all the guards off of it. Just too hard getting everything lined up because these are not exactly designed for this bench grinder. And I tried mounting it without the rubber feet just so I could make it tighter. But it literally vibrated the doors open on these cabinets. Still a little bit of vibration, but you know, all the tools aren't bouncing. Cabinet doors aren't opening on me. Seems to work all set. Let's try to something like this. It polishes things so nice. Just gives it a smooth brushed feel, I guess. Here's an old knife I have. It says stainless steel. I think I found this at my parents' house, or maybe my brother found it. It's got a little bit of tarnishing, some corrosion on it. Let's see if I wire wheel the corrosion spots and then try to use the Pryme MX on it. See how that works. I think it worked very well. Cleaned up the brass a ton, and then the Pryme MX pad really polished it up, shined it up really nice. I mean, there is no edge left on this. I couldn't tell you how old it is, but still some corrosion on there, some pitting from like where it's been rusting, but cleaned it up very nice. Even this little button on here, it definitely is way too far gone. I'll just see if I can clean that up. Pretty easy. It's my Kickstarter 06 450R. I think it's original. Let's see if we can clean this up. So some casting marks here. Couldn't even tell you what that's from. Maybe where it hits like a peg after you kick it. Some corrosion down here, a lot of pitting. I'm gonna try to use the wire wheel. Maybe I'll use the rougher Pryme MX pad, but let's give it a shot. All right, so it basically just gives it a nicer finish, smooth. I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's worth the money. These really weren't expensive. It's gonna be more expensive if you don't have the bench grinder, which I want to say this was like $70 at Lowe's. I'm not really sure. I have to look, but it definitely wasn't 100. Between all like the screwdrivers and everything, screwdriver, syringe, 2 pads, and he gave me an extra one for free. I spent like $60 shipped. These are really nice results. I'm afraid I'm gonna end up taking a piece by piece off this bike and just cleaning it up on the bench grinder now with this pad and a wire wheel combo. But yeah, super happy with it. I definitely think it's worth the money if you're into taking care of your bikes and kind of restoring stuff. I mean, you saw what I did on a stainless steel knife and piece of aluminum like this. So yeah, that's it.